What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Taking a look this morning, we'll take a look at Bitcoin and XRP. Maybe we'll take a look at a couple others, but mainly today's focus will be on Bitcoin. So getting a big run to the upside. We surpassed a 28,249 level. We are approaching another level. Got two other price targets way above the market. So let's jump into this, guys. Thanks for checking out the channel. Appreciate it. And let's jump into this video. So we're going to start this video off looking at BTC USD Coinbase chart here, daily chart. And it's all about Bitcoin this morning. And like I said, maybe we'll take a look at XRP, or might be better to save that for a different video. Anyways, big run here in Bitcoin, as you can see on the chart. We have moved in the, let's see, the past, call it 6 days, we have moved roughly 16%. It's a big move for any market. It's a big move for the cryptocurrency market as well. So let's do a quick recap here on what took place. So we had a couple levels we were talking about for Bitcoin as it was creating this top. The key was to hold the 26, 23, 25, 760 level on the chart. And you could see I have a couple lines here representing those price targets. Well, we got the big undercut after many days of support. So we had the undercut on the 14th of June. And we found support basically at 25K for that, which represents the top end of this range right here. So sometimes in the market, you'll see, now it works both to the upside and to the downside. Sometimes you'll see a major break either below a key level or a major break above a key level. And that'll mark the end of a move, and you'll actually get the reverse move to take place, which so far is what has happened here. We had a major undercut of some important levels, which was that 26, 23, 25, 760, and then we have in there 25, 726. So we got the major undercut, broke below that level, found support, and actually went in the opposite direction, which was higher, much higher, 16% or so higher. So that is good to see. Bitcoin is looking quite bullish right now. If it holds the key levels, it has to hold. If we start to get a nasty reversal back down into that 26, 23 level, which would be way down in here, not good. But that's just something to keep in the back of your mind. It's not happening. If it starts to look ugly like that and take place, wouldn't be good for the market. But it's not happening right now. It's looking good. We surpassed our first target off of so above 26, 23, our first target would have been to, let's see, 28,249.67. Hit that level perfectly, actually turned that into support so far today, and we hit a high of 29,050. Next level above the market, 29,143, 143.22. That's right here. We surpassed this high over here on the 29th, and things are looking good. We'll see how we close today. Do we close strong, or do we close with a big reversal, a big candle wick above the market for Bitcoin? I have two price target guys, two new price targets way above the market here. So based on this recent consolidation here, this big topping pattern that is playing out to the upside, we have a target. We have a couple in between, but our new targets are 31,573. So that's a $31,573 Bitcoin. That's up in here. That takes us into some new highs, some new recent highs, I should say. Not all-time highs, of course, but new recent highs. 31,573. Nice move up there. That would put us up from where we're currently trading another about 9-10%. We have another target number 2, which would be up there at 34,293. 34,293. That would be this green line up in here. So it can happen quick. Bitcoin, as you know, so yesterday's move, the 20th of June, was a 1482, was a 5.5% move. So $1,400, you start adding those up a couple days in a row, and before you know it, you're up at these new targets in the 30,000 plus range. So 34,293, target number 2 for Bitcoin, way up here. Like I said, as long as this rally holds and we start to stair step higher, no reason why we won't be into some new highs here, at least recent highs. Not all-time highs, but new recent highs. And that would put the price up from where we're currently trading. Call it 19%, guys, from where we're currently trading. So we're at 28,843.35, and that would be up there at the 34,293. So we're getting a very bullish breakout here taking place. Started yesterday, getting some follow through today. And we'll have to see how it closes. So things are looking good, and it's obviously helping the rest of the markets. If you have not taken a look at Bitcoin Cash, we actually will look at that in this video. Bitcoin Cash, check out this breakout here. So we have this, basically this big consolidation down here. This candle wick, I'm not so sure about. We hit a low on this candle wick of 91. To check my other account that has Bitcoin Cash in it to see if it hit that low. I'm not sure. But anyways, that's 91. This thing's all the way back up to 132.26. It's up about 20% today. So crazy move. Bitcoin Cash, I think, in the right market can be, upwards of $1,000 plus, if not very close. And for under $100. I might have talked about this recently, starting to come back. Anyways, for under $100 or close to $100, it's I think a pretty good deal. But like I said, it's not going to get there unless the whole market is in a strong trend to the upside. So let's see, Bitcoin is up 1.9 this morning. Bitcoin Cash is 20.5. Maybe we'll take a look at XRP here, like I mentioned earlier in the video. Guys, thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. All links are always down in the video description. Check them out if you would like. And if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us here on the channel. All right, so anyways, XRP. So XRP's in a critical moment here. Something of concern is that this rising wedge here to the upside breaks lower. So that is a concern of mine, almost creating like a little head and shoulders here. So we have a left shoulder, head, potentially a right shoulder forming here, leading to a break much lower. It's possible. Not saying that's what's gonna happen, but it's possible. It's also possible, which we talked about, it might have been in yesterday's video, that we're in the midst here, depending on which day you look at here. I guess you could call them both, that we're basically printing a higher low, although it would be short if it was, and then we're waiting for that higher high here, and that leg can be quite strong to the upside. A little bit more played out over here. So we had a rally, a pullback, a higher low, and then another leg up. Pullback somewhere in here, lower high. Maybe yesterday was the higher low, and we're starting to get that next leg up. That's also something that we spoke about in yesterday's video that, might play out. If Bitcoin can do well, like I said, and continue higher up into those new recent highs in that 30K plus range, then I think scenario number 2 will play out for XRP, and we'll start to see those higher XRP prices, hopefully back to approaching that 55-cent level and putting it behind us, turning it into support, because right now it's major resistance for, about 4 times, I think, or if not more. So that's something that the time and price needs to work out. So Bitcoin, guys, keep your eye on it. It's looking good. We actually are long the Bitcoin micro futures over in a different account. That's the smaller contract, the smaller Bitcoin futures contracts. We are long those. So we'll stay in those as long as they continue to move to the upside and look strong. So far, they are looking pretty good. Once again, early this morning, it's about 4:30 a.m. on the East Coast. All right, guys, Bitcoin up 1.8, XRP up 0.49. Not much, but hey, it is what it is. 19.8 for Bitcoin Cash. So below the market for Bitcoin, 28,249. Above is 29,143.22. We're in between those two levels. Above that is 30,141. And then our two new targets for Bitcoin that we just mentioned earlier in the video, 31,573 and 34,293. Guys, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Join us here on the channel, and I'll catch you in another video, probably coming out this morning, maybe on Casper. We'll have to look at the chart. All right, guys, take care.